Welcome to New World Developers Podcast. I'm your host Shreya and we have Mr. Puneet on the set today. Welcome to the show, sir.
Thank you, Shreya.
Sir, please introduce yourself.
Good afternoon. My name is Puneet Arora, and I am the director of Nest Finders Pro. And I'm into this real estate business since 5 years in Gurgaon. And we have been doing many big projects in Gurgaon. And now we are trying to do Goa, as Goa is a good investor's destination. So,
Yeah, all right. Lovely, sir. Lovely. So, let's begin with our first question of the day. How do you see Goa transforming in the next 5 years, both as lifestyle destination and as an investment market?
so Goa is likely to see a significant changes in his lifestyle as because of the government initiatives, its natural beauty and relaxed lifestyle. So over the next 5 years, we can see drastic change in Goa's infrastructure because of luxury resorts and the tourists. It will obviously attract international as well as domestic tourists. So this growth will make Goa a destination for second home as well as for investment opportunities.
So, with increasing development, how important is to balance growth with Goa's natural charm of environment?
Just because if we have unchecked development in Goa, that will always hit the tourists coming to Goa. I mean,
Hmm.
tourists will not be attracted if the development is not done. So that is
Right.
very crucial.
So, how has Mopa Airport changed the situation?
So sustainable development practices, just like Mopa Airport, all these things will obviously will add things in the development of the Goa, so that it's easy to travel. First, it would take around 1.5 hour to come from airport to the beaches or North Goa. Now, because of Mopa Airport, we can easily travel. Hardly it takes 20 minutes to reach Goa.
So, what role do you think branded developers will play in shaping the future of Goa's real estate landscape?
So, branded developments or the developers who are coming in Goa will definitely shape and change the Goa, because the heritage of the Goa, what was it is dependent on the ancient things, but now recent developments and luxury resorts are coming in Goa. So, branded developers have a big role in that in the development of Goa, which will obviously attract international tourists as well as your domestic tourists.
All right, that is why I think a lot of people are settling in Goa as they're making it their
Exactly.
second home.
Exactly. We have a lot of people from South Delhi or good who frequently travel. They want a second home in Goa, and they are asking. They have queries for the new world developers.
All right, that's lovely. And how can projects like Northern Hills set a benchmark for sustainable and luxury living in Goa?
See, Northern Hills is definitely a good project which is coming bang on NH 66, and the connectivity is very good. It will definitely attract very good clients and very good uh, investors for a second home as well as their investments, because they are providing villas plots. So see, the end users always want a plot only. Whenever we ask the old people जो 60-70 years या 50 years के हैं, they always want कि हमें ज़मीन चाहिए. तो अगर we are making a plot villa over that 270 square yards plot, that will be very good second home for them. तो Northern Hills project एक ऐसा है that 70% green area, they will surely provide a superb luxurious amenities and a very good place to for second home.
So, will that boost the economy of Goa as well?
Obviously, if there is tourism in the particular state, then the
Hmm.
economy will definitely grow.
All right. So, sir, one last question for you. If you could describe the Goa of tomorrow in one line, what would that be?
See, Goa after 1 year, I would say a dreamland for the people who love to stay away from home for 6 months. We can say second home, and a very good place for investors to invest in.
So, what is the best time to invest in Goa according?
See, there is always this time is the best time to invest in any property, but Goa right now is a very beautiful place to invest in, because we don't have it's not dense right now, and very less projects are coming over there who have a RERA also and NA approved. They are NA approved. So this is the right time to invest in, because the prices will always hike when we wait for the things.
Hmm.
So this is the right time to invest in Goa.
All right. Okay. Thank you so much for your time, sir.
Thank you, Shreya. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. So I'm your host Shreya Tokral signing off for today. Follow for more insights.